Did you know that day trading can actually be a profitable profession if done right? Imagine waking up and making money. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, today I'm going to share how I made a neat profit in Chola Finance today. Let's dive into the world of day trading. It's not easy as it sounds. You need a lot of patience and you need very good strategies. And with the rise of online platforms, anyone can, with a 5,000 rupees account, can day trade, and so the competition that you have to beat is a lot. So there's lots to learn, and that's why I want to break this down for you. Whether you are a newbie or looking to sharpen your skills, this video is for you. Now let's get into the topic. And the step one is, why did I choose CHOLAFIN, and what is my process after I've done my stock selection? So CHOLAFIN, if you can see, it has made a rather steep rise, almost a 190-degree rise. So such moves on a large cap index stock is not gonna sustain for long. So there was a bearish engulfing here, then after that it made a hammer, and then or a bullish harami and a confirmation candle, but never got to the high of that, and then next day a bearish kicker and a doji, right? So this should tell you that it is somebody's distributing here. You can see a nice little tweezer set up here, 1 and 2, right? So my aim was to short the stock, right? And so as part of my process, I always analyze in the bigger time frame and always execute in the smaller time frame. So if we look at the 5-minute chart, there's a nice ascending triangle type of pattern which is formed, and since this was a high resistance area and the risk reward is not favorable on the upside, even if this crosses this line, my assumption was that market will break it on the downside, and that's what happened around 950 types, and entered short on this bar at around 16.0. I tried to enter with the limit order at 16.11, but it didn't get filled, so I executed at market at 16.09, a stop of 16.14, and target of 1584 as per the measurement of the ascending triangle. So, and this was met. It stayed there for quite some time, and then one way fall happened to 1584. I think overall, yeah, it's shown here 2 hours 20 minutes that it took to achieve target. So the important thing to note here is that my process is identify always using end of day chart or using my scannings or real-time scans, and I quickly check if there is any news on the stock, is there any results kind of thing, or is the company going to make it announcements, as far as all public information. So that's it. And it's essential that we stick to a plan. So my plan is, there are many rules to my trading, right? So I only take, if 2 of my trades hit stop loss, I stop for trading for the day. I don't try and do revenge trading. I don't have to end positive every day. That's not my aim. I want to be positive at the end of the month, end of the year, end of the quarter. So that's how I look at it, because it's, for me, it's long-term thing. I'm not here to become overnight crorepati. So even if I enter to using a market order, my stop loss will always be fixed and it will be in the system, especially for stocks. I keep an eye on the chart as to whether it is continuing to go in my direction. So, you know, as you can see, I made a cool 22-point profit, which is neat money. So do consider joining the live stream where I share all this analysis right there, right on the channel, including why I identified the stock, where are we going to enter, where are we going to put the stop loss. These are not trading advice, just trading techniques, right? So which hopefully you can get inspired by, and ultimately develop your own system. So I'm a firm believer that trading cannot be taught, and one needs to have their own system. So if you have any good practices that you do on your account for day trading, please do share in comments below. I'd be happy to learn from anyone. And before I wrap up, I'd like to remind you, please hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more trading analysis and tips like this and insights. The world of day trading can be rewarding with the right approach. So don't give up. Let's keep learning together and make smart trades. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.